In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to Make, offering a step-by-step guide so that you can seamlessly integrate these powerful tools and enhance your workflow efficiency. First, let's begin by navigating to the Make dashboard. If you're not already familiar with Make, it is a no-code platform that allows you to automate and connect different apps and services, truly transforming how you manage your business processes. Once you're on the Make dashboard, go ahead and click on the Create Scenario button. This action allows us to set up a new scenario, essentially a set of interactive actions you want to automate. After clicking, you'll need to type in HubSpot CRM in the search bar. This search is crucial as it helps you link the right application from the vast library of connections that Make offers. Now let's proceed by clicking on HubSpot CRM. Selecting HubSpot CRM ensures that we are connecting the right service with Make. Afterward, you will be presented with several options. Click on Search for CRM objects or others. This option allows you to dive into the specific types of data or processes you want to automate between HubSpot and Make. The next step involves creating a connection between HubSpot and Make. To do this, click on Create a Connection. You may be prompted to log into your HubSpot account if you haven't done so already. It's important to ensure that your HubSpot login credentials are ready for this step, as it facilitates the authentication process. Once logged in, the next action is to select the account you want to connect with. So make sure to click on the account and then hit Choose Account. This step is critical because it specifies the HubSpot account you wish to integrate with, especially if you manage multiple accounts. At this point, you'll need to agree to the terms by clicking the checkbox provided. Reading through these terms ensures you're aware of the privacy and access permissions being granted. After agreeing to the terms, click on Connect App. This finally initiates the connection between HubSpot and Make, setting the stage for data to flow seamlessly between the two platforms. With your account connected, you can now choose an object type to search, such as contacts, companies, or deals. Click on Contacts or the object that best suits your needs. You have the flexibility to select whatever aligns with your integration goals. If there are any additional details that need to be entered, fill those in accordingly, and don't forget to click on Save to preserve your settings. By following these steps diligently, you're all set to automate workflows between HubSpot and Make, enhancing your efficiency and productivity. Thank you for tuning into this guide, and I hope it helps you make the most out of these dynamic platforms. Happy automating!